Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's DIY video, just like I promised in my previous video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this horsetail, which I used for my baby's traditional photo shoot. So if you're interested in this, please keep watching. So for this, we're going to need a rod, a random rod or pole or whatever, and then some double-sided tape. We're also going to use an old weave that you don't need anymore, and then finally some glue. Here I'm using a glue gun, but you can use any form of glue you have. Oh, I also used some masking tape as well. So the first thing I did was that I wrapped the double-sided tape around the pole and then wrapped it again with masking tape. Now this part is absolutely unnecessary. The only reason I did it was because I felt like the rod was a little bit too skinny and too light, so I just wanted it a little bit thicker. I don't think it really did much, but that was just what I did to make it a little bit thicker. And then I went ahead to put some glue on the hair, and then I started wrapping it around the pole or rod. I found it easier to just hold the hair between my lips, but hey, if you're a germaphobe, feel free to use whatever method works for you. So this is the final look of our horsetail. How would I know? How would I know? Nobody's gonna know. So all I did was I used this masking tape to cover up the remaining part of the rod here, and I just got a random string and I attached it to it. I usually see some of them with strings at the end. Honestly, I don't know. I just felt like doing that. I don't know why. So I just got a string. You may not necessarily need to do that. I just decided to do that. And then I kind of trimmed it off in an angular form so that it's not looking too sharp. So that'll be all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it useful, please give the video a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more DIY content. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.